Hey, what's up guys, how are you all? This is Ram and you're watching Infinity Explorer. Today we are doing a simple trick with candle, not the one playing on the screen right now. This trick became old but it's still a fun way to do it with kids. You guys may already know it, but let me quickly explain what's happening in this trick. It appears like candle is still burning underwater, but it's actually not. First thing, the candle is not in the glass, and the second, we're actually seeing the image of the candle through the glass. This is just an illusion. But today we're actually placing a candle in the water and let's see how far it can survive. For that, let's take a candle of height less than the tumbler's height. Now fill the tumbler up to the candle's wick and let's see how far will it glow. If you look at closely, you can find some gap between the wick and the walls of the candle. This is because water is preventing it from getting burned or consumed. But after 2 minutes, it went off.
A few moments later.
And you can find wax layers floating on water. Let's check the depth of the gap. It's around 6 mm in my case. The bigger the candle diameter is, the more time it can survive underwater. This is not a big one, but we came to know that candles can survive in water up to some extent. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next week with a brand new video. Until then, keep exploring infinity.